Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing paper of business studies. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. We have not prepared only this subject, we have prepared all the other subject also. If you want all the subjects and in all the mediums, in the English and whatever you have, so you can contact anytime. Here are the questions that we are discussing here from 1 to 6. 1, 2 and 3 questions are for 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 and 5 about 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is a project based questions which you need to write in 500 words with some uh, big explanations, and some lessons are also given in front of the question. So if you want all the answers, we are here for help you for 24/7. So thank you so much for watching. We are waiting for you. You can call or message anytime on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen. Thank you.